Are you busy?
Not really. What's up?
What are you doing?
I am just relaxing. You?
Do you like music?
Yes, I love it. What about you?
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop and rock. How about you?
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What is yours?
Do you like reading?
Yes, I enjoy it. Do you?
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy painting and hiking. What are yours?
Can I ask a question?
Sure, go ahead.
How is weather today?
It's sunny and warm. How is it where you are?
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Do you?
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. What about you?
What is yours favorite color?
I like blue. What is yours?
How do you get to work?
I take the bus. How about you?
Do you speak any other?
Yes, I speak a bit of Spanish. How about you?
What are you watching these days?
I am watching new series or Netflix. What about you?
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to work out 3 times a week. Do you?
What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy reading, watching movies, or spending time with friends.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Where did you go for your last vacation?
I went to Kalavapudi.
What time do you usually wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
How was your day?
It was good. Thank you. How about you?
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I do.
What kind of music do you like?
Like rock, pop, classical music.
What time do you go to bed?
I usually go to bed around 10 p.m.
Are you busy today?
Yes, I have a lot of work.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What do you want to eat?
I do like some pasta and sandwich.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually relax or spend time with family.
What do you do for fun?
I like hiking, watching movies and hanging out with friends.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football, basketball.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had eggs toast for breakfast.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, I am ready.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas and New Year.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I exercise every morning.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually visit friends or relax at home.
How often do you eat out?
I eat out once a week.
Did you go to store yesterday?
Yes, I went to the store yesterday.
Did she watch the movie last night?
No, she did not watch movie last night.
Did they finish the homework?
Yes, they finished their homework.
Did he call you this morning?
No, he did not call me this morning.
Did you meet your friends at the cafe?
Yes, I meet my friend at the cafe.
Did she cook dinner last night?
No, she did not cook dinner last night.
Did they visit their grandfather over the weekend?
Yes, they visited their grandfather over the night.
Did you clean your room yesterday?
Yes, I cleared my room yesterday.
Did you read the article in the newspaper?
Yes, I read the article in the newspaper.
Did he fix the computer?
No, he did not fix the computer.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had toast and eggs.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What is your hobby?
I like reading books.
Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't work on weekends.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Can you same?
Yes, I can.
Where are you going?
I am going to the store. Please like this video
And subscribe my channel.